Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a look with the Mini Controversy palette. If you guys haven't seen this palette yet, it is the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collaboration mini palette. The bigger one is the Conspiracy palette. I've said it before in my other videos, I'm a huge Jeffree Star fan. He's one of my idols, especially for makeup. He doesn't have, a care in the world about what others think of him, and I just envy him so much for that. So today we're going to be doing a look with this. I'm actually really excited because I'm going to be using the blues. I'm also going to be using a couple other products that aren't Jeffree Star, just my Wet n Wild blue lipstick, liquid eyeshadow. I have a silver that's a little bit more pigmented than my other silvers, and then I have purple shimmer powder. All of these, huge thank you to my friend Marabi. She's the one who gifted me all of this. She actually sent me an entire box, which I'm really excited to go through and really pick out some things and make some really awesome looks for you guys. So again, Marabi, if you guys are watching, your whole fan base, thank you so much. I love all of your work and I envy you so much. So thank you so much for gifting me all of this. It's gonna make my makeup journey a lot easier for me, especially with everything that's been going on. So again, thank you so much. All right, guys, that's it. We're going to get ready and we're going to do the look, and I'm going to do it all in a little bit fast forward just because I like to play around and take my time. So we're going to do it in fast forward and then we'll review at the end. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy. that's it. That is the look that we have come up with. So we use the Mini Controversy palette, which is the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collab palette. It's the mini one compared to the Conspiracy one, which was the full-size palette that they did. Of course, like I said, this stuff is not Jeffree Star. It is Wet n Wild, but it's pretty freaking cool anyway. And I absolutely love this look, and I am so excited that it came out so good. Just so you guys can take a closer look. I actually really like how these colors work together, and they actually complement each other really well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad that I got to do this for you. If you guys have a product or palette or anything that you guys want me to review or try or do a look with, drop it in the comments below. And if you like this video and want to see more tutorials or more looks, give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.